In this video, we're going to cover how to place limit orders such as a buy stop or sell stop directly from the chart. The first thing you'll do is you will come over to the chart and you'll notice either an L or an S for long or short. And then if you click on that, it'll pull up the current bid price that shows you where the market is, so you can see a full line. And then you'll notice as I move my cursor around the chart, it is giving me a price where I can drop that new order in. So if I want to place a long order down here at 64,945, I can simply stop my cursor, drop it, and then it pulls up a new order ticket window that allows me to either just send the order if I want to make any modifications such as adjusting a stop loss, or if I want to select the duration such as good till canceled or day or good till date, I'm able to do that from here as well. And then when I'm ready, I can simply click send order. And then my order is now placed, and I can confirm that in two places. One, the little confirmation window pops up, as well as the second in my orders tab, I can see that I am working that order there. If I want to move the order and do it directly from the chart, I'm able to do that as well. If I just select my cursor over the order here, I can move it either up or down inside of the market so that I can move it as things are moving around. I will get the same confirmation order, and then I can send it there. And now that order has been successfully moved. Additionally, if I want to put a bracket in, such as doing a sell, if it goes above, I can click the L again. And then if I want to short it up here, I can simply drag that, and it's going to now put two orders in the market, a buy and sell. So if the market goes up to this area, I'm going to sell it. If it comes down to this area, I'm going to buy it. And so as you can see, you can put multiple pending orders in directly from the charts. Please stay tuned for additional videos as we'll be continuing to release them throughout the coming days, weeks, and months.